Former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko is this afternoon set to appear before the Kahawa law courts. My colleague Ben Troy Njue is in the Kahawa law courts, and he says this is in relation to the application made yesterday by the DCI in regards to terror charges. Troy, give us an update from your end.
Indeed, thank you so much, Irene Chuma Odim, back in studio. And as you can see, we are just outside the Kahawa law courts along Committee Road. This is just one of the new courts that was opened in December by the then outgoing Chief Justice David Maraga. Well, away from that is that we are expecting the former Nairobi County Governor Mike Kioko Sonko Gideon, according to the charge sheet, is that the guy is supposed to be brought here at about 2:30 in relation to an application that was made yesterday by the DCI, where they are seeking 30 days to continue detaining him, or if you like, a miscellaneous criminal application that was made yesterday that they want to continue holding the former governor in relation to terror allegations. Well, according to DCI, Mike Sonko has been donning military attires and has been funding. That is according to an affidavit that was written and submitted to this law court yesterday, late yesterday. And actually, any moment now, we're expecting the judicial officers. They haven't let us in yet, but we are not even sure exactly where Sonko is. I'm saying that because we had a stakeout earlier at the Gigiri police station where Sonko was being detained since Tuesday, but on a different case. These are new allegations of which, if granted, Sonko will spend the next 1 month in prison as police continue investigating the claims that he is financing or funding terror-related militias by actually providing closer. And there is an allegation that he could be as well in line to procure military ammunition or even weapons. But in the same court yesterday, according to his lead lawyer, who is senior counsel John Haminwa, they haven't been really happy about how Sonko has been handled since he was arrested on Monday after he went to the DCI to record a statement on a different, actually it was on the allegation he made that he together with Interior PS, Karanja Kibichu, they were actually part of causing mayhem after the 2017 general elections, and especially when it came to ODM demonstrations that were happening. That is something different because he has not even been charged on that. Remember, on Tuesday he was in court and he was charged with 10 counts related to assault on a case that was on a case that happened in May of 2019. So these are new, and according to the affidavit is that they want to continue detaining Mike Sonko because they want to make sure that he will not be able to interfere with the investigations that the police are currently undertaking in relations to those very severe allegations. Earlier on, when we had a stakeout at the Gigiri police station, you know very well that terror charges or terror allegations are very severe, and you can be detained up to a year without actually being charged. But according to DCI, they just want 30 days so that they may be able to conclude investigation. Some of the things that really did happen earlier today, you do remember the assault charges. He was supposed to get his bail ruling today in the morning at the Kiambu law courts, but that is a senior principal magistrate, Stella Atambo, said that she was not really ready with that ruling based on the submissions that were made by the prosecution and the defense. Of course, the defense objecting the release of the former Nairobi County boss on bail because they're talking about he has a lot of influence in Nairobi and he might be able to interfere with witnesses or even the case itself. So that is exactly what is happening here. We will be bringing you a much comprehensive report. We expecting judicial officers to be getting in any time now, because at exactly 2:30 his application will be heard and determined.